How to install Tumblr app on Android. First of all, open the Play Store on your phone and tap the search bar at the bottom right corner. In the search bar, type Tumblr and press the search button. You will see the official Tumblr app appear in the results, usually right at the top, with a recognizable logo and the developer listed as Tumblr Inc. Next, tap on the Tumblr app from the search results to open its details page. Here you will see an install button. Tap on it. The app will begin downloading, and once the download is complete, it will automatically install on your device. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet connection, so wait until the process is finished. Once installed, you will see the open button in place of the install option. Tap it to launch the Tumblr app for the first time. When the app opens, you will be prompted to either sign up or log in if you already have one. You can choose to sign up or log in using your email or Google account. Now you know how to install Tumblr app on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.